Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, hands-on reviews of the best products available online. In today's episode, we're diving into the best waterproof outdoor string lights you can buy right now. The 100FT LED Outdoor String Lights by luckystyle. And the luckystyle 100FT LED string lights bring not just illumination, but ambiance, elegance, and resilience to any outdoor setting. Starting with the design. You get a total length of 100 feet with 35 plus 1 LED bulbs included, which are spaced perfectly to ensure even lighting across the entire string. Each bulb emits a cozy 2700K warm white glow, which creates that soft, romantic atmosphere we all love, not harsh, not too yellow, just the right tone for patios, porches, gardens, or even cafes and event spaces. Now let's talk durability. These bulbs are shatterproof, yes, shatterproof, made from high-quality plastic instead of fragile glass. They're designed to survive drops, bumps, and even harsh weather conditions. The string itself is made from heavy-duty wiring with a reinforced PVC coating. That means you can leave them outside year-round, in rain, snow, or heat, and they'll hold up just fine. One of the standout features here is the waterproofing. These lights are IP65 rated, which ensures protection against dust and jets of water from any direction. So whether it's a downpour or just your sprinkler system turning on, these lights won't flicker or short out. They're built to last. What about power and convenience? The lights are powered via a standard corded plug, and here's the good part. You get a remote control included. This remote allows you to switch them on or off, adjust brightness, and toggle between lighting modes without having to fumble around with a manual switch. Whether you're inside your house or lounging out on the deck, the remote gives you full control at your fingertips. Speaking of brightness, these lights are dimmable. So if you're hosting a dinner party, you can dial down the lights for a more intimate vibe. Or if you're working on an outdoor project, you can brighten them up. This dimmability is a real win. It's not something you get on every set of outdoor lights. Another practical detail. The string is connectable. You can link multiple sets end to end if you need to cover a larger area. Ideal for commercial spaces or big events like weddings and festivals. Each bulb is also designed to be energy efficient, so even if you run them for hours each night, they won't cause a spike in your electricity bill. Installation is straightforward too. The lights come with hanging hooks above each bulb, making it super easy to attach them to walls, fences, or trees. No fancy hardware needed, just zip ties or simple clips and you're ready to go. And here's something small but worth noting. The package includes one extra bulb. So if one ever stops working, you've got a spare on hand. It's that kind of thoughtfulness that sets luckystyle apart. So, who are these lights for? If you're someone who values durability, style, and ease of use, whether you're decorating for a party or just creating a year-round cozy retreat, these are for you. They're perfect for homeowners, renters, cafe owners, or anyone who wants a reliable outdoor lighting solution that won't let them down. Alright, that wraps up our review of the luckystyle 100FT LED Outdoor String Lights. This product nails it in every department: brightness, design, waterproofing, energy efficiency, and ease of use. No wonder it's topping the charts for outdoor string lighting. If you enjoyed this video and want more product deep dives like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is Product Critique, where the review is real, and the light always stays on. Catch you in the next one.